What's going on, guys, and good morning. This is Crypto Sides, and today is July 16th, 2018. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning over here in Eastern Time. Um, right now, we got some decent moves going on in the market, right? So we're going to cover a few things right now, and then I'm going to do another stream later on today, and just to recap on what the hell's going on. So one of the biggest things going on right now, got some FOMO spreading. We got a big asset manager thinking about jumping into the market. Now we got lots of good news going on right now. And overnight, since last night, we have uh, $17 billion jump into the market in less than 24 hours. So we got a price increase in everything. Okay. So as you guys listened yesterday, I did say we're gonna have a bullish short-term move. It's gonna be a mini bull run. We're still in a bearish trend, remember. Um, but I'm not trying to be a perma bear, but we're gonna make some nice trades soon. Okay. So 24-hour volume. I think yesterday it was somewhere around 10 billion. It's 14 billion right now, just under it. So it's still not good volume, but it has a slight improvement since yesterday. And so we got some decent percentages going up. If you bought the trade calls on EOS, what else? Neo, things like that. Let's exit out of this here and let's go look at some charts. So first, let's start with EOS. What happened? I put a bunch of supports and resistances here last night for you guys. But let's put some channels up real quick. We are in a 1 hour chart right now. Um, so as of right now, as you can see, we're coming up to hit a resistance right now. I believe we are actually going to break this resistance and probably rise above the this is EOS, by the way, EOS to US dollars. Now we got some buy pressure breaking that daily average volume line right here. Okay. As you can see right here, we had a buy signal. What was that? That was about 18 hours ago. Buy signal, right? We had a little bullish ramp on RSI. This is for the hour chart, by the way. We had a buy signal. Another buy signal to buy the dip. So, so right now we're kind of on a bullish incline for the short term, on an hourly basis. If we look, let's go to, let me see. Okay, so as you can see, this is the days, right? This is a day, we're having day candles right now. Bear is still standing on top of the bull. Now, if we get enough pressure, right, and we break some resistance levels, and we see this green line go over this red, right, this 55-day moving average right here, we might be in for a decent bull run. But I believe I believe we're going to see something like this. This for EOS, right? We're going to see it maybe hit $10, maybe 9, come back down, and either continue the bear trend down, or we actually might be in for a bull run. You know, I'm on the borderline here. It could be 50-50. So, I mean, let's take a look. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again. Now, remember what I was telling you guys. This is daily candle. We are at, remember that Fibonacci retracement I was telling you guys about? We are at about a 75% retracement from the $20,000 peak. Just about $20,000 peak, okay? So, okay. Anyway, let's, give me 1 second here. Now, this next resistance we're hitting is going to be around 6,800. Okay, so as you can see, we try to break it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth time up, we might actually break it. I think we will break 6,800. The next, I believe we might actually hit the next resistance level here and break above it. And we're going to see where it goes after that. And either we might be in for maybe a small bull rush, or we could just see a stronger upwards on the end of a bear flag before continuing to downtrend. But we are at that 75% retracement level for Fibonacci, so we could be in for a bull run coming soon. I've been telling you guys the bull run, the long bull run, like we see here in 2017, is going to be coming soon. This whole entire area was one big retracement from that $1,000 peak, right? So what goes up must come down, and what goes down must come up. And we're basically done with retracing. We might have a little bit more to go, but if we're not going to do that extra little bit, we could be up for a potential bull run coming soon. Okay, it's about time. You know, the clock's been ticking. It's time to get this thing going. Now on the MACD for the days, you know, we got a let's see, hold on. The MACD, depending, I believe we might get some momentum going. I think we might, like I said, don't give your hopes up, but because we're still in a bearish trend, right? But we will going to see some decent price increase, maybe over the next day, 2, 3 days, week. Of course, we're going to stay on top of it, but go back to the hourly candles here. So as you can see, right as of right now, just about 6,600. You know, we're overbought on our side. We're on the hour candles now, so we might see something like this: go down, then up, then down, then up, before we hit the next resistance level, and we can either break it and find a new, and that'll be the new support, or we could go down, continue the bear trend. It could either go two ways. Okay, so I'm still waking up, guys, so my brain's not working entirely right now. Usually I'm more 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 energy, but so see this semi bullish run right here. Seen we might see something like this pop up here, right? And then this could happen. Could go down after that, continue the bear trend, and finish that last little bit of retracement, or we could just be in for the next long bull run. Now, remember what I told you about contrarian thinking. Contrarian is somebody who observes the masses and does the opposite, right? Now, there's a lot of FOMO spreading. Whenever there's a lot of FOMO, of course, the price increases. That's why I told you guys to buy in this area. When we knew that we're going to have some price increase, and I'm staying on top of these charts to let you know when we're about to cross back over. But as of right now, looking at these moving averages, in the short term, an hourly basis, the hourly candles, the price will continue to increase, okay? The volume's still bad, but it's better than it was before. So that's my Bitcoin EOS analysis. Like Bitcoin, all the other alts follow their master. But so yeah, I'm going to stay on top of this today. We're going to do another video later on today. We're going to go over a few more things. I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the moving averages like I have it in the Fibonacci sequence. But yeah, I hope you all listened and bought around this area, right, when we had that crossover, and are able to ride this thing out until we cross back down. You guys could take a trade out and take some profits. So that's it for right now, guys. We're gonna go over it some more later on, and you guys have a good day. I will check back in with you guys later.